guys! So this week for my speedy dinners, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy-ish version of a fresh ravioli casserole. I need a break from cooking because I've been cooking non-stop 3 times a day. So I'm really trying to focus on making it easy on me and full of nutrient and delicious and something that the kids will love. So I'm using a fresh spinach ricotta ravioli that I got from the farmer's market and I kept in my freezer until now. I'm using store-bought or organic marinara sauce, and then I'm gonna add some spinach. I had some frozen one here that I just rinsed and squeezed all the water out of it. And then I'm gonna add some squash that I'm gonna slice really thinly, and I'm gonna do layers of sauce, ravioli, squash, and spinach. So it's satisfying because I know every kid on earth loves pasta, and at the same time I'm adding like veggies that I'm hoping no one will complain about. So the first thing I'm gonna do is slice these. I'm just gonna cut the end, and to make things faster I'm using my mandolin because everything will be the same thickness and it will be super fast. When you use a mandolin, just always be careful when you reach the end with your fingers because accidents do happen. That's why I'm focusing on this. And I've cut myself more than once, so you just want to be careful with that. That's one, and then I'm doing the second one here quickly. And then, you know, I'm using these because that's what I have in my fridge. You could use whatever veggies you want or your kids like. Zucchini, red zucchini, not summer squash. You could use broccoli, peas, what else could you add? Eggplant, or no veggies, that works as well. So the way I'm gonna do that, get my platter here. I'm just gonna take a spoon, I'll be right back. So I got my platter here, and I'm gonna add a thin layer of sauce so the ravioli won't stick. And since I'm using fresh ravioli, I don't have to pre-boil them. They will cook in here. So I'm just making a nice layer with the ravioli. I think I can fit 3. Yes, I can. There you go. And so perfection. I have 9. And then I'm gonna add my little zucchinis. I mean, if I had time and wanted to make these really pretty, I would just do it one by one. But since the whole purpose is to try and save time and make it easier on me, I'll just do the best I can. There you go. Hop, hop, hop. And then I'm gonna add some spinach. Just try to make it even-ish layers. And then I'm gonna add some more sauce. It's important that you add some liquid in this, like tomato sauce or something, because this is what's gonna make allow your ravioli to cook. 3. They smell so good and they look so pretty. This is gonna be such a nice dinner. I know this is gonna be a winner and the kids are gonna be so excited. So second layer, more summer squash. Hop, hop, hop. And then second layer of spinach. And then you can also add, I'm gonna add cheese in the end, mozzarella and Parmesan, but you can also do layers of cheese in the middle if you want something more cheesy, which is always a good idea, right? So more sauce here. Even, and then I'm going to finish with a layer of the ravioli. and mozzarella cheese and Parmesan. Go. Smells so good. It's not even cooked and it already smells amazing. And the way you want to do this is I'm going to add a tiny bit more sauce on the top. Is I'm going to sprinkle the cheese and then I'm going to cover this and then cook it first, covered with foil so it steams and it gives a chance to the ravioli to really cook nicely inside. I'm going to do that on 450, maybe for 15-20 minutes. Remember that nothing really needs a long time to cook here. Spinach are frozen and cooked already. With the zucchini, but you know, they're thinly sliced and they cook fast. It's just ravioli, but you know, when you use fresh ravioli, if you were to boil them, it takes like 3 minutes. So they cook really fast as well. So this is what we have so far. And then I'm gonna add the cheese. This cheese makes everything taste better, right? And you can be generous with it depending on what your family like. They love when it's really cheesy. There we go. And I might do a nice green salad along the side, just for extra veggies. You know me by now. There's never enough veggies, according to me, and so cheesy, cheesy, cheesy. There we go. So I'm just gonna cover this, cook it like I said, 350 for 20-ish minutes. Like take the foil away and then broil for maybe a couple of minutes so everything can be nice and bubbly and golden brown, and then it will be ready and I will show you. My ravioli are cooked and you can see how bubbly and golden brown the cheese is, and I did, as I said, covered for 20 minutes, and then I just took the temperature up to 450 to make sure the cheese will be bubbly and golden brown. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.